dashboard. So here you can go see instances. I already created many instances here, Windows 10 and Windows. This is Linux, Amazon AMI. So let's start with new instance. Click on Labs instance. So guys, first understand you have to create an Amazon account to practice this. When I show this in a screen, you can you can understand better. But once you practice, then only you can you'll get hands-on. Because after this session, you'll forget most of the things. So this is a free account. You can create a free account and practice whatever we say in the class. Okay. Until and unless if you do not practice, you will forget everything. So this better to create a new account in Amazon and then practice every day. I'm giving some name. You can mention the number of instances to be created with the same configuration. I'm creating only one instance. I'm giving the name as my server. Then selected the AWS Linux OS with the default configuration, and free tier is T2 micro, which is 1 CPU and 1 GB of memory. And key pair, you can create a new key pair. To log into the server, we require key pair. If you are a Linux admin, you are well aware of it. But this is if you are new to Linux, you must create a key pair to connect with servers. Okay. I'm creating a new key pair here. So this is the default. Create one. I'm giving a name as AWS. So network setting is default. So this is anywhere, which is globally accessed. So you're allowing network to everyone. So 0001 global access. SSH is a connection protocol. And volume we configure with the default 8 GB. If you want to add new volume, you can add here. And this launching instance, I'll show you how to add a new volume later of the session. So I created an instance. Go to view all instance. So now you can see our new instance listed here. This is the one pending for instance state is pending, means it's getting created. It may take a while. The instance state is running and it is initializing the status. There are some some validation to be done before creating a instance. So it's happening in the background. You can see here initializing. So meanwhile, I will create another instance. I've created this instance in availability zone US Eastern 1C. So if you want to see which region it is, under US Eastern 1C, right? Now so it's comes under Virginia. Okay. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything comes under 1. So meanwhile, I'll create another Windows instance. So I'm creating this. This is custom setting, not Windows 10. Server, okay. And selector default T3, T2 micro, and keypad. I can use. I have three keepers available. So existing key I can select existing key. So the same way how we created keypad for the Linux machine. So you can use either the same key also you can create. You can use it and allow SSH RDP. This is it will default. It will take RDP since it is a Windows server. So I'm allowing all access. This is the global access. So you can give a custom IP. Some IP also you can give global and or you can give your IP, my IP. So I am giving anywhere which is globally accessed to this instance and the 30 GB default and creating an instance. So this is also pending. Okay, our machine is ready. My AWS one server. So let me connect to this machine. Can connect with SSH. When we go to CD downloads and here in download folder I have a key AWS key, so which I generated here AWS.tem. So I can provide this copied command here. Yes, I logged into the server. So let me log in with sudo user with the root user df-h to view the file system under this uh, server. So there are list of file system available. So this is the default mount point. So only root is available now. I'm going to create a volume for this instance. Okay. So go to volume, create a new volume. So since this is a demo, I am creating with 10 GB. So 1 minute, let me check where our EC2 instance is running. So this is running on US Eastern 1C. So I'm selecting US Eastern 1C to attach to this particular instance. So this is the default option. Don't create volume from the snapshot. I'm not creating a volume from the snapshot. So I'm creating a volume in region East 1C. Okay. So I created with 10 GB. So let's see. Okay, this is the one I just created. Okay, this is the one. So I'm going to attach this volume to my instance, Linux instance, which I just created. Attach. So you have to select correct region. Okay, then only you will be able to attach this volume to your existing instance. So region must be it is your availability zone. So wherever you created your instance, you have to specify the same region if you want to create a volume and attach to the instance. So I've created a volume. Sorry, I created an instance on ES1C. So I created the volume also in the same availability zone. So then only it will reflect here. So I am going to attach in my Amazon machine. So this is default name. So it will not reflect. This is on point, it will not reflect, sorry, device, it will not reflect in your machine. So it will show us some other name. So you cannot expect the same name in your machine. Just attach here. So once you attach, the 12 GB, that is it. So once it is attached, you will find here in use. Okay. So go here, ls doc. So the new device is available here. So now we have to create a file system, mkfs -t ext4 ext4 dev and give this name xvdf demo. So create a directory now, mkdir mount new volume. So now I'm going to mount this volume to my mount dev what is that, xvdf vdf slash mounting new volume. So now you can see the new volume which we created. It's been attached to this inst. So now go here. For the demo purpose, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a file under this directory. cd mount so echo this is the test file file1. Okay, I've created a file. So it has a content. This is a test file. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is this is the volume I created earlier. So I'm going to create a snapshot for this. My new snapshot. This is a tag you don't have to add since it is a demo. My new snapshot. Okay, it's created. It's unavailable. Okay, it's 100% completed. So our snapshot is ready for this volume. So go here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unmount this volume from this instance. So it's been removed. So I've removed this volume from this instance, and I'm going to detach this from the instance. Once we detach, it will, the volume status will change to available. So now I'm going to delete this volume from the console. So it's been deleted. So now go to Snapshot. Click on the snapshot which we created with this volume, and click on Actions, create volume from the snapshot. Go with default setting. I think it's C, right? Okay. Create volume. It may not take a while. It should create in a minute. Go here. So it's been created. Okay. Available to use. Now the same way. So here, attach to the same instance. Attach volume. So now it has status is okay. Now go here. H. So it's not mounted. So I'm going to mount this with the new volume. Let's block. So MOUNT. Device. Yes. So this time I'm going to mount with a new name, like new volume 1. Sorry, we haven't created that. Oh, now you mount with this. When I did a mistake, I'm sorry, guys. XVDS. So DS -H. So you can see here the new volume has been mounted here. Let's see what is inside this volume. So inside you can see. So this is the test. So what we did, we created one volume and attached the volume to the instance. Then we took a snapshot and we removed that volume, and we deleted the volume from the AWS console itself. From the snapshot, we created a new volume, and the file has been restored. Correct? So this is the way to take snapshot and restore from the snapshot. Even if the file if the disk is corrupted, if the volume is corrupted, from the snapshot we can recover the file, and we can mount the new volume from the snapshot. So this is how it works. So the another way of so this is the way to take volume snapshot for the instance. So let's show the same demo in Windows Server as well. So here, this is the Windows Server. I'm going to create a volume for Windows machine. Create volume 10 GB. Bring it to C. Okay. Instances. Connect RDP. So connect this machine with this IP. Connect to Windows machine. Click on connect, and you can get the password here. This is open. Encrypt password and get a password. So this is the Windows machine I just created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the new volume which I created to this Windows machine. I created a 10 GB new volume, which is available to use in 1C. So our instance is running on 1C. So I'm going to attach this. Go to actions, click on attach volume. Windows 10. Refresh it. So it is, status is okay, so it's been attached. So here, click on initialize this. This is online now and create a volume. Go with default setting and open this volume and create a file for testing. This is for test file. Okay, save this file under the volume. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a snapshot. A snapshot. When it's pending, let's wait for a while. Later, so go here, click on the new volume we created, detach. So it's available, so it's detached. So the D drive is went off, so it's not available in the on the server. So I'm going to delete this volume. It's been deleted. So some snapshot. This is the one we created. So create volume some snapshot SSD, and the region is you should be able to see the new volume created here. So available. Now I'm going to attach this to the same Windows machine. So it's available now. So now you should be able to see the file we created earlier. This is the test file. So I created a volume, I attached to the instance. Then I took a snapshot and deleted the volume from the console. From the snapshot, I created a new volume and attached to the same instance. The files have been restored. One of the files, only one file was available, but restored. If you have multiple files under this drive, everything will get restored. This is a way to take snapshot and restore from the snapshot. This is only for disk. So let me show you how to take a snapshot for the entire machine. So this is the way. Click on this machine, image and templates. Under image and templates, create image. Yeah. my one. Back. So it will take a snapshot. So it will take a backup of your entire machine, whatever volumes available. It will take a backup of your entire machine. So this is tag. You can ignore this. If you want to tag both snapshots and AMI in the same tag or different tag, this is not much important. Create the image. So in AMI, you can see the new AMI created. This is pending. So I created AMI for this machine. So if the machine gets corrupted, you can recover this entire machine with the same configuration from the AMI. So I created instead of taking volume snapshots, you can take the backup of your entire machine using AMI. AMI is once you create a AMI image, you can launch an instance from that AMI image. Click on launch instance. Here from the drop down, you can select the image we have created as an instance backup. Then the same procedure, fill in the details and click on launch instance. So it will create with the AMI image. It will launch a new instance with the AMI image. And volume snapshot, I've already taken a snapshot. So if you want to change the archive tier, you can go to actions, click on archive snapshot, and if you click on archive snapshot, it will create an archive for the snapshot. And the recycle bin, we need to create a retention rule. recycle rule, and this is optional for EBS snapshots. So I'm creating retention rule for 2 days. Click on create rule. Apply to all resources. So I created rule for 2 days and 1 day. There are 2 rules I've created. This one I will delete one of these rules. Now go to volume snapshots. This is for the machine my web server snapshot. I'm going to delete this. Now go to the recycle bin, resources. Now you should be able to see the snapshots available for my server snapshot. I've deleted, but I have set a rule to keep the snapshot for next 2 days in the recycle bin. So it will be available in the recycle bin for next 2 days. So you can recover anytime in 2 days. 2 days period of time, you can recover this snapshot from the recycle bin.